Okay, problem 839, it's a definite integral. And it looks like it's starting at minus 1 over pi up to 1 over pi. It's a product of cosine and the arc cosine. All right, we want to do some work. Of course, I do it at paper and pencil first, and I use an identity. This identity was proved in a prior problem, and then I rewrote the integration. I got an answer to it, and I'm checking my answer now using Sage. All right, let's go to Sage. And clear the screen. And let's start typing in. So reset, defining a variable x, defining a function f of x. I can do a copy paste here. And this is the integrand. Let me show you the integrand up here. That's cosine x, arc cosine x. That's the integrand. Now I'm going to integrate. I'm going to do another copy paste. And I'm going to show you what happens over here. For one thing, it appears that Sage is basically spitting back to me that it can't do the problem. All right. Now what I'm going to do is another command, which is going to be numerical integral. This is where Sage is being forced to use some numerical techniques to figure it out. And it gives me this thing over here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm looking at my answer and wondering, is it really the same thing? All right, so let's type this in. I know the answer looks strange to you. We'll discuss that in a moment. Back to Sage. So I'm typing in what I believe my answer is, which is a numerical approximation of pi times the sine of 1 divided by the numerical approximation of pi. And you get this number over here. And if you look at this number here is, fairly close to this number over here. All right, there are some differences. All right, what's the difference? This one appears to be more precise over here. Let me just take a look at that. 982. Yeah, a little bit more precise. This over here is an error bound. All right, I'm not too worried about that. What I'm worried about is the answer I got and the answer Sage get. Are they in approximate agreement? And they are. Thank you.